There is two remotes. One is the air mouse, and one is the normal infrared remote. Now we talk about how to learn the setup key about the infrared remote. So the first step is now press the OK and delete button for 3 seconds. That's clean the code of the learn remote. There is 2 buttons, learning button, so we use these 2 learning buttons for learning. Put 2 remotes head to head. Now press the learning key for 3 seconds. The red light turn blue means the remote already entered the learning mode, and press the setup button. Then the learning remote how to turn blue means already succeed of learn. Now please keep these 2 remotes distance no longer than 2 to 3 centimeters. Now let's see if we succeed. It's okay now.